Fieldhouse. The following segment is sponsored by Aurora BayCare Medical Center. And here's Benny Peterson.
We are here today with Dr. Ryan Woods, a fellowship-trained sports medicine physician at Aurora BayCare. And Dr. Woods, we're talking regenerative medicine. Can you tell us exactly what that is?
Absolutely. So regenerative medicine is a branch of medicine that involves using the body's natural healing process to improve pain and function in a variety of orthopedic conditions. Typically, it involves delivering either a blood product or cell-based therapy to an area of injury to stimulate a repair process. The nice thing about these injections is that they are non-surgical, so they're a great option for folks looking for more of a minimally invasive treatment option for their orthopedic condition.
And who would make a good candidate for regenerative medicine?
Great question. So we've had good success in treating patients suffering from arthritis, joint pain, rotator cuff tendon injuries, tennis elbow, hamstring tendon injuries, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, and a variety of other muscle or tendon strain injuries.
And a good time to not delay your care. You guys are doing a lot of things to protect your patients during the pandemic.
Yeah, exactly. So we have implemented a number of safe care practices to protect not only our patients, but our staff as well. So despite the ongoing pandemic, patients really should not hesitate to seek treatment for their orthopedic conditions.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Woods. For more information on regenerative medicine, head to aurorabaycare.com. And Good Day, Wisconsin. We'll be right back.